just for me guys, bosses and chef, Chef JP, maraming salamat. So, excited tayo kasi season 7 really soon. So yung mga players natin na interested, please reach out doon sa mga attacking balls natin. You can reach out sa bosses and the family if you want to join. Okay, so meron tayong 25 below, meron tayong elite version na 25 up, meron tayong 25 na open league, so marami tayong opportunities na makapag-laro. Yun lang, sobrang exciting, congratulations for the Barista Community. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Sir Craig Martin. And of course, next, may gusto mo share a message sa atin dito ng BDO community. Our Homeowners Association Vice President, Mr. Patrick Garcia. Mr. Patrick, are you here in the court? Kapag ko nito. Bigyan ng messages dito ang ating BDO community.
Joey, Gabriel, wala mo pa na kapasikasan kong game ko. Hindi na basta win, kailangan mag-inari. Pati yung samahan, friendship, kasama niya, Andy, mga kapita niya. Maraming salamat, congratulations sa champion. Lagi na lang kayo, wala na lang ito.
Thank you so much, Mr. Patrick. And for our last but definitely not the least message, let us invite here our Board of Director, Mr. Renaldi Estrella. Isang palakpakan naman dyan, BDO community.
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Hindi na natin makapain ang mga tulong sa ito. Pero on behalf congratulations to foreigners and coming back to the league. Not contributed to making, putting Brittany in the back, especially as a sports agent in the area. Congratulations in division, coming from the game with 0 loss standing. Kaya medyo heavyweight ang ating 5-peak team over there. Congratulations everyone.
And we will receive the wedding ceremony. We will receive the wedding ceremony first. Our second place. Our second place is no other than Sam over there. To be awarded by Mr. Lynn Rodell. Aberdeen. Team Aberdeen, ating second place sa presentable rito. Again, congratulations, Team Aberdeen. To be awarded by Mr. Lynn Rodell. Congratulations, Team Aberdeen. Runner-up is none other than Team Bishop. Palakpakan na ng Team Bishop sa kanilang pinakitang laban dito sa Brittany Basketball League Championship to be awarded by Mr. Patrick Antonio. And congratulations, Team Bishop.
Sa gitna, sa gitna.
Congratulations, Team Bishop, ang ating first placer. Sila rin po ang first placer last season ng ating Vitaly Basketball League. You know, tuwa si Coach Harold. Para sa tuwa. Ang ating Eastern Sportsmanship Award. Okay. Our first middle side is Mark Almonte. Ano ba si Mark Almonte? Ay ba? Yan. Congratulations, Mark Almonte, our first critical pride. Alam ba ang first critical pride? Si Mark Almonte. Next is jersey number 11. Ang katabayan ni Chef JP, pero hindi sa step. Chef JP Pagulayan. Well then, JP Pagulayan, pagkasa natin JP, hindi yung automatic chef na sa akin. Next is from Team Aberdeen. Raven Blues. Adding third video 5, favorite girls from Team Aberdeen. Again to be awarded by Mr. Sportsman, Chef JP. And next, our part of our video 5 is none other than JB Hepula. JB Hepula. Alam pa natin, JB Hepula. Our fourth video 5. And next, is Felipe Medina. Felipe Medina. Again, congratulations sa ating Video 5. Pagulayan of Montenegro, Bruce Medina, and awarded by Mr. Sportsmanship Awardee, Chef JP, ang pinakamagayang player po ng Vitaly Basketball League. Kahit sa Puerto Mayo, by Mr. Patrick Antonio. And now, our players MVP is from Team Bishop. It's none other than Edward Sanover. Congratulations, Edward Sanover. Our playoffs MVP award. And to be awarded by Mr. Patrick Antonio. It's from Team Aberdeen. It's none other than Joey Congratulations, Derek Roy, our season's MVP. Dapat talaga na. Yan. It's not other than Arizona Team Aberdeen. The young man is Patrick Antonio and another strike.
Para dito ka.
Ahead of champions. The champions season 6 of Wheeling Basketball League is Aberdeen Team Aberdeen. Back to back championship for Team Aberdeen. And they have the battle of the ground.
Trophy, Jules.
Basketball League Season 6. And of course, ang champion natin ay nag-iisang Aberdeen. And of course, our season's MVP is ang nag-iisang Jeric Menoy with 21 points, 4 assists, 7 rebounds, 1 block, and 1 steal. So Jeric, kamusta naman ang feeling na ikaw ang season's MVP ngayon?
Ano lang to, bonus na lang to. Importante sa amin yung championship eh. Tsaka hats off sa Team Bishop sa magandang laban.
Ayun, na-mention mo nga na ang lakas din ng Bishop, ang lakas ng depensa ninyo, pero malakas din ang depensa ng Team Bishop. So paano nyo tinake advantage para kayong manguna?
Yung gaya nga nung sabi ko, basketball is a game of runs. So nakauna kami, sumunod sila, malitan lang, pero maganda yung nakapondo kami. So championship game na yan, defense wins championship na lang talaga, yun na lang. Kaya maganda yung depensa namin eh, yun.
So yun, i-share mo naman sa amin.
Uy, feedback.
I-share mo naman sa amin kung ano ang mga tumatakbo sa isip mo sa last 2 minutes of the game dahil nafe-feel mo na kayo na ulit for the 5th time ang magiging champion for this season.
Actually, yung 2 minutes matagal pa yun eh. Hindi namin iniisip na tapos na yung 2 minutes lang yung natitira. So, ayun, tinuloy-tuloy lang namin yung magandang defense namin. So, ayun, fortunately nakuha namin yung championship.
Ayun. So last na lang, Sir Jericho, anong messages mo for your teammates dahil nga 5th win nyo na ito at sa lahat ng supporters ng Team Aberdeen?
Ayun, siyempre sa Team Aberdeen, thank you. Thank you sa championship, pang-apat na to. Tapos congrats kay Champ sa pang-5 championship niya. Yun lang, thank you.
Ayun, thank you so much, Sir Jeric, and congratulations once again. Palakpakan natin ang ating MVP for Season 6. Yun lamang po from your Courtside Bestie Lala. Don't forget to like and follow our official Facebook page, Brittany Basketball League, and use our official hashtags, We Are Brittany and Brittany Ballers. Kita-kits tayo next season. Hello BBL community, and of course, kanina-kanina lamang ay we have our MVP, Jeric Menoy, and today naman ngayon, we have our coach and captain ball of Team Aberdare, nag-iisang Mr. Chris Martinez. Sa information of everyone, this is his 5th championship for BBL, and of course, eto rin ang ating new commissioner for BBL Season 7. So sir, first of all, congratulations for your 5th championship and for leading the team. So anong feeling na ika-5 championships na natin?
Exciting pa rin kasi number one kasi reunion game namin to eh. Nung sila RJ, sila Ray, yung ibang team namin from season 2 magkakasama ulit. So very exciting, ang daming pumunta, si Kuya Omar umuwi pa from Cebu. Talagang gusto lang namin magsama-sama ulit, tsaka ang sarap ng feeling na yung reunion namin nag-champion din kami.
Ang ganda ng chemistry niyo. So i-share mo naman sa amin kung gaano kaganda ang chemistry at communication niyo at naipanalo niyo nga ang ating 5th championship.
Sobrang ganda ng chemistry namin. Kahit outside ng basketball during papawis or ng liga, nag-uusap-usap talaga kami, nagkukumustahan, nagkikita kami. So yun, we joke around, magkakilala yung families namin. So yung camaraderie, yung feeling of just being together, sobrang ando na. Madali lang para sa amin mag-gel kapag off game yung isa mag-step up. Tsaka mas maganda yung communication namin. Yun talaga yung pinaka-advantage namin sa tingin ko.
Definitely evident naman po sa laro ninyo today. And sir, any messages na lang for your teammates and of course sa lahat ng fans ng BBL, at invite niyo na rin sila for our Season 7.
Yeah, first of all, maraming salamat din sa sumuporta sa amin. Lalo yung family namin, sila Jeremy, si Dayan, yung families ng lahat ng team. Yung buong Aberdare community, yung buong team namin talaga, na from the start sumusuport talaga. Kasi may mga pa-drums pa kami, may mga tumitubig pa kami, may Gatorade pa sa gilid. So yung support talaga, lahat sila pumunta para supportahan kami. And then congratulations lang. Sobrang saya namin ngayon. And for Season 7, guys, we have very exciting things to come up sa Season 7. Marami tayong division na pwede natin paglaruan. So everyone is welcome to join. So just message us, sila Boss Joey, ako, sila Chef JP, if you guys want to join. And then, yeah, see you on Season 7. Thank you.
Definitely all out for our Season 6 and mas ipabobongga pa for Season 7. Yan lamang yung for your Courtside Bestie Lala. Kita-kits tayo for our Season 7. Congrats po!